What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Volvo XC60 remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2009 to 2016 Volvo XC60 and it's going to use replacement battery CR2430. It's going to take two of them and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my finger's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. I'm just going to set that to the side. Now I'm going to grab my screwdriver and I'm going to hold my key fob with the buttons facing down and take a look at the bottom of it, and this is that notch that that key just slid out of. I'm going to take my screwdriver and just put the end of the screwdriver in that notch and then pry up, and as I do that you can see it starts to pop up this back cover. Once that's started, I'll come in here and get my screwdriver in there and pull that cover the rest of the way up. Dump that out and we can see our batteries right here. These batteries kind of started coming out of their holder. They don't always do that. So if they don't just automatically come out of their holder, you can get your screwdriver and just get under the edge of them. And this white plastic piece will remain in there after we pull our batteries out. Like that. So what I'm going to do is take this plastic piece and just kind of fold it over like that. Grab my first battery, and the first battery I'm going to install with the plus side up, positive side up. So go ahead and snap that down into place like that. Then I'm going to let this plastic piece come over like that. And I'm going to take this battery, and this battery will be installed with the plus side down, positive side down. Snap that into place. And then we can snap the two halves back together like that. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.